Do you want to know how much water should you be drinking in a day if your goal is to lose fat? In this video, I'm going to unpack all the scenarios you're dealing with if you exercise, if you do not exercise, if you take supplements. I'll give you exact recommendations of how much water intake you should have. So you want to stick with this video until the end. It's coming up. Welcome to Kinetics with Kishan, where we talk about how to build muscle and increase hypertrophy, especially for desi communities. The problem with the general recommendations of water intake of about 12 to 16 cups a day is that it does not take into consideration how much water should you drink for fat loss. It's just a general recommendation. So this was addressed by Dr. Andy Galpin, who gave an equation to determine the exact amount of water that you need for weight loss. So according to him, that after you wake up, every hour that you wake up, you need to drink 236 ml of water. So that means, let's take a number. Let's take, if you wake up until 10 hours you wake up, that would mean that you would need to drink 2360 ml of water. If you're watching this channel, I assume that you also work out regularly. So how much water should you take during that whole workout session? So for every 15 minutes of your workout, you need to consume about 2 milliliters per kilograms of your body weight. So let's take an example of a person who weighs 50 kilograms and works out every hour. That means that the water intake for that hourly workout would be 400 milliliter for that person. Total of 2,760 ml of water. Question is, what if you're taking creatine? Do you need to drink more water? Let's unpack this. There is no direct scientific evidence to explore this, but we can find this out by logical reasoning. So basically what creatine does is that it takes away water from your body and it shuttles the water into your muscle tissue, and that's why your muscles look bigger. Now, that reduction of the water inside the body has to be replenished from outside because the body needs this water to do the regular bodily functions like blood circulation, kidney functioning, and all the different organ functionings inside the body. So it makes sense to add more water. So according to a research, if you're taking creatine, per gram of creatine, you should add 75 milliliters of water on top of your general water recommendations. So that means that based on the general recommendation of 5 grams of creatine per day, you would need to add an extra 375 milliliters of water. So the total water intake is around 3,135 milliliters or 3.1 liters. But there's one more thing to consider. On a daily basis, we eat a lot of meats, fruits, and vegetables that account for around 20% of the water for total daily water intake. Taking that into consideration will bring down our total water intake requirement to about 2.48 liters. So let me know in the comment box below how much is your water intake compares with this recommendation. And also, if you're liking this video so far, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Let me give you one simple tip to make sure that you satisfy these recommendations is try to drink a 500 milliliter of water bottle before each meal. And also a 400 to 500 milliliter of water during your workout. So for example, if you take 4 meals in a day, you take 500 milliliter of water with each meal, and with exercise, it will take you very close to the general recommendation without even thinking about it. And guys, it's true that there is such a thing called too much water. So if you drink too much water in a day, what will happen is that extra water will cause dilution of the salt and electrolytes present in your body to a point where they are no longer functional. And in the long term, this can impair the functioning of the different organs in your body to a point of failure. So if you quickly want to check out your water intake for a day, I have put a link down in the description below. Check that out. And if you guys want to lose fat without doing any exercise, check this link right here, and I'll see you in the next video.